In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canvas in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. Canvas is the split-screen workspace that turns long-form writing and coding into a smooth side-by-side experience. By the end, you'll know how to open it on command, edit text directly, use built-in shortcuts for writing and code, track changes safely, and fix the occasional loading hiccup. First, getting Canvas to appear. ChatGPT will often launch it automatically when you request something substantial, like a full essay or a formatted script. If you want to force it, open a new or existing chat, click into the message box, and type a prompt that explicitly asks for Canvas. For example, write an outline for a technical documentation brief. Open this project inside Canvas. Phrases like open a canvas, use canvas mode, or put this in Canvas will immediately split your window and pin the interactive panel on the right. Once Canvas loads, treat the right-hand panel like a live document or code editor. Click anywhere to type, fix typos, or delete sections without sending a prompt. For precise revisions, highlight a sentence or paragraph. A small floating menu appears. Type a specific instruction right there, such as make this paragraph friendlier and remove passive voice. Only the highlighted text updates, and your other manual edits remain intact, which makes iterative drafting fast and predictable. Now, look to the bottom right of the Canvas panel for powerful shortcuts. For writing, Suggest Edit scans your draft and drops clickable margin notes for grammar and clarity. Adjust Length lets you compress to a summary or expand into a detailed piece with a simple control. Reading level shifts, tone and complexity, from grade school straightforward to graduate level authoritative. Final Polish runs a full pass to tidy, syntax, spelling, and formatting so your copy reads clean and consistent. If you're coding, Review Code surfaces inline notes about bugs, logic issues, and performance opportunities. Add comments or logs places explanatory lines with hash or double slashes right in your script. Fix bugs attempts to resolve runtime and logic problems by restructuring the affected lines, keeping your file cohesive. To stay safe while experimenting, use version history at the top of the Canvas panel. Click the clock or back arrow icon to browse time-stamped snapshots, compare changes, and hit restore to roll back to a clean state if something goes off track. Canvas is available across account tiers with free plans subject to capacity limits. If the panel doesn't load or shows a blank frame, don't clear the chat, perform a hard refresh with Control plus F5 on Windows or Linux, or Command-Shift-R on Mac OS to reload the module cleanly. That's it. Use Canvas to draft, revise, and ship work faster, all without leaving your chat.